Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Anthurium. So if you are a new Anthurium lover, then this video is specially for you because in this video I'm going to talk about some Anthurium leaves problem and the solution as well. So let's not skip any part of this video so you can understand a bit further on how you can save your Anthurium potting mix while you are killing the spider mites. Well, the spider mites is plant-eating mites, which is looks like as tiny spider. So they are having a needle-like mouth, which is similar to the mosquitoes, but they are very tiny in terms of the sizes. So they are using the needle-like mouth to suck all the nutrients from your anthurium leaves. So sometimes your anthurium leaves is dying a bit earlier because of less number of nutrients, and all these nutrients has sucked by the spider mites. Once you kill all the spider mites from your anthurium leaves, it will started growing more further. Also, the velvety effect and velvety handle will increase a bit further. This is not good actually. I was trying to visit my anthurium after a week. I saw a couple of spots like white and yellow shiny dots and spots over the new leaves and the old leaves. It's not good actually. So these are called the spider mites. The marks is really bad. I'll just try to show you that how the marks look like. There are a couple of uh, types of spider mites can be found, and I think I have only two types of spider mites, which is having shiny webs in the back of the leaves, and the second one is the very little spots, which is like white and yellow spots. So let's not wait. I have a solution for that. So to get rid of spider mites, you need to use the organic hand soap, or there are a couple of chemicals, but I'll be trying the easiest one, which is the hand soap, the organic hand soap, with a gallon of water. I'll just mix it up and I'll spray, or I'll just rub into the leaves gently, so the spider mites and the other marks all will just go away. So before we start, a couple of things we need to take care, because the soap, I think it's not good for the root actually. So we'll just cover up the roots with the tissue paper. Covering of the soil surface of your anthurium is really help to prevent unwanted soap water, so it will not get sucked by your anthurium soil. So I think it's a little pretty good idea. I'm just following, not sure the rest. So yeah, let's start go for the mixing of soap. So I'll just give 2 teaspoons of organic hand soap. Yeah. So let's just mix it nicely. So after mixing the hand soap, there are 2 steps you can follow. Since we have a lot of dust and the spider mites issues in this anthurium leaves, so I'll just take a piece of fabric and I'll just rub into the surface of these anthurium leaves. And second step you can do is you can spray this water into your anthurium leaves, and that also help. But why I'm doing with the fabric is because there are a lot of unwanted stuff might be there, so I just want to make sure these all dies, and it will help to remove them very quick. So simply I'll just go for this idea. It started glowing already. So you just need to make sure at the back side of these leaves there should not be any sort of shiny waves or any sort of unwanted drops or any sort of like, oh, there's some birds. Hello. In the morning there are a lot of birds are coming here to visit my garden, especially our national bird. It's really time consuming work because you need to handle these leaves very smoothly, otherwise it will breaks, because the back side and also the front side you need to rub very gently with the soap water, so it will not get breaks or lose any part. So the now second step is we are going to wash this with the water, as we have done with the soap water. So now we are going to wash with the regular water. It looks like they are started glowing. I feel good now. I think it will help your anthurium to prevent more unwanted insects and all. So your anthurium leaves also getting more shiny and bright, which looks really nice actually. So let's just finish it off and come back. Also in the back side you need to take care, because in the back side also soap water may remain, and we need to wash very carefully all of them. I think we are pretty much done with that, and to prevent really these bugs you need to repeat this in week after. So maybe a couple of weeks you need to try it out, and we're just going to remove this one. Since my anthurium is giving a new flower and vines, so I had to take this buddy a little extra care. So let's remove this tissue paper